Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to make Chinese fried rice. For this fried rice, I'm going to use cabbage, green beans, carrots, and peas. You can also add capsicum or broccoli if I have them at home. Please do not forget to add green onions to this recipe. It gives a wonderful taste to this fried rice. Fried rice is a dish of cooked rice that has been stir fried in a wok or frying pan. It's usually mixed with vegetables or egg or chicken or seafood. We are going to make vegetable Chinese fried rice today. For this recipe, you need 2 cups of basmati rice, 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of beans, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of peas, 1 cup of cabbage, and 1 cup of green onions. We need salt and sugar, white pepper, and we are going to use soy sauce, and we are going to use olive oil. I am not adding garlic ginger paste today, but if you want to add, you can add 1 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste to this recipe. Soak the rice for 30 minutes. Cut the onions into small pieces. I'm going to use frozen peas. I've taken them from the freezer and washed it and kept. I'm going to use a fresh carrot, so I washed it and now I am peeling it. After peeling the carrot, you can cut the carrot like this. Even though carrot is a root vegetable, it's not high in carbohydrates. If you like crunchy snacks, carrots are a great snack and it's really healthy. Don't you love the orange color? Carrots add a pop of color, so I always like to use them in my recipes. Make sure the carrot is cut into pieces like this. You can wash the green onions and cut them. The white bottom part of the green onion, I'm going to fry it with the yellow onions first in olive oil. And the green stalk, I'm going to garnish it later. Green onions are an excellent source of vitamin K, and they are rich in folate and vitamin A and C also. And it has a combination of the benefits of the onions and leafy greens like spinach or chard. Cut the green onions like this and keep. Now I have washed the cabbage and I am going to cut this. Cabbage is packed with nutrients and it really helps improve digestion. It's a heart healthy food and it lowers blood pressure and helps in lowering cholesterol levels too. Shred the cabbage into pieces like this and keep it. Wash and cut all the vegetables and keep it ready to cook. In a pan, take 6 cups of water and heat it until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, add 2 cups of soaked basmati rice and cook for 7 to 8 minutes on medium high flame. Add 1 teaspoon of salt now. Add little bit of oil so the rice doesn't stick to each other. After 8 minutes, the rice is cooked and you can switch off the stove. Since the rice is going to be stir fried with the vegetables later, the rice should be cooked only 80%. And it should look like this. Drain the extra water in the sink with the strainer. After straining the water, you can put the rice in the bowl. We are done cooking with the rice. Use a big wok or a frying pan and start the stove. On high flame, you're going to fry the vegetables. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil and spread it nicely by tilting the pan. When the oil is hot, add 1 cup of yellow onions. You can add the white bottom of the green onions now. I am not adding garlic ginger paste today, but if you want to add, you can add that now. Add 1 cup of shredded cabbage now. Add 1 cup of green beans and 1 cup of carrots now. Add 1 cup of green peas to this. Mix it nicely and stir fry this. Add 1 teaspoon of salt now. Add half teaspoon of sugar. We are adding sugar to retain the color of the vegetables so it won't become dull when it's cooked. Now add 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Cook the vegetables for 10 to 12 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce now. The vegetables are cooked. Now add the cooked basmati rice to this and mix it well. Make sure the rice is mixed nicely and blended well with the vegetables. Today we used fresh cooked rice. Sometimes you can use the leftover cooked rice from the fridge also. Now you can switch off the stove and you can garnish this with 1 cup of green onions. Your world famous Chinese vegetable fried rice is ready to enjoy. I've been posting my recipes for the past few weeks. I hope you like them. If you like them, please subscribe, like and share it with your friends. Thank you.